Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Creators Lab. In this video, we will be discussing about Weblium. This is an AI tool for creating websites and you can use it for free. With Weblium, you can create business card websites, landing pages, portfolios, online stores, and many more. This tool helps you to create websites effortlessly. And just like I have said before, you can use Weblium entirely for free. Isn't this amazing? So, what exactly does Weblium do? Weblium helps you to create amazing websites. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, you can use this AI tool effortlessly. With its hundreds of templates, you may not need to start from the scratch. Some of the features that makes this website builder unique are the intuitive drag-and-drop website editor, AI assistants, and SEO tools to help your website ranking. Use Weblium to create a website for your small business. As a small business, you need a website in order to be successful. No web design skills? No problem. Weblium's user-friendly builder is perfect for entrepreneurs without web design skills. Choose from over 300 small business templates with unique and fascinating designs for free. So, what do I do next? 1. Choose a business website template. 2. Customize your website. Personalize the template by editing your site styles and fonts, adding a logo, and creating new pages. 3. Add content and launch. Fill your website with high-quality images and text to describe your business. To create a professional and modern online store, choose the most suitable template for your idea from the 300+ collection. All websites created with Weblium automatically adapt to any screen size, so your store displays pixel perfect on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. How do I create the online store? First of all, sign up and go to the Online Store category. Choose the one among the designs with a pre-made layout and blocks. Secondly, set up products and payment methods. Finally, set up SEO for product and category pages, and your website will quickly rank high on Google. Weblium features include meta tags, friendly URLs, and a free SSL certificate. Publish and start selling online. As a beginner, how do I sign up with Weblium? To get started, you have to register an account via Google, Facebook, or email. Then, type your business area in the search bar. Choose a category that matches your brand to easily find the most suitable template from the collection. From the collection, scroll down to find the one that perfectly fits your need. The amazing thing with Weblium is that you have a lot of options when it comes to the template. Once you have picked a template, preview it to see if it is what you want to work with or if it matches your brand. Once that is done, personalize the template by editing your site styles and fonts, adding a logo, and creating new pages. You can also add forms, live chat, and pop-ups. Bring your ideas to life. Click on Settings to find out all the tools you need in Weblium to create a very professional website. There you can adjust the colors, theme, texts, and many more. Make sure you see how your website look on web, tablet, and mobile, and by the time you are satisfied with your website, hit the Publish button and voila! Your website is ready and running. Weblium offers a free plan where don't have to pay anything, and also the Pro plan, which costs $15 per month. They also have the business plans. To sign up with Weblium, follow the link in the description of this video to their website and get started for free. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Also, leave a comment and turn on the notification for more valuable content.